with certain background colors, widths and heights. That's a pretty good start. Some of you may be thinking though, so far we've got blue and we've got red and we've got green and yellow and those sort of colours, but what if we want to use a more specific colour and we not be limited to just the standard colours? Well, there is of course a way to do this, and that's using HTML colour codes. So I've got the website html-color-codes.info up here. It's a great little website, and let's see how this works. So they've got a great color chart. You can check it out yourself. It's got a whole range of different colors there, so you can pick pretty much any shade that you like. Now, if let's say we want some kind of sort of purple here, I quite like the look of that one. So if we click on that one, you'll notice that it's appeared down here. Now, what is that purple then? It's a certain purple shade which has the HTML code B404AE. Now, I'm not going to go into the details of how those codes are actually constructed and what they mean. The important thing is you can use them in your HTML file to refer to that particular color. So I'm just going to go in there and copy that number, and I'm going to change my blue box background to that one. You have to include the hash. The hash is important because it tells the browser that we're talking about a color code rather than a particular color such as blue or green. Now I know that color is purple, so I'm going to change my class name to purple box, and I'll change it down here as well. Okay, let's see how that looks. Great, so we've now got that particular shade of purple as our background. So you can of course choose any color you like. I suggest you have a little play around and change the colors as you like. If you want a really precise set of color codes that are even more detailed than that, you can use something like this. So on the same page, HTML color codes, I'll just stretch that out a little so we can see the whole thing, and you can now use absolutely any shade of any color that you want. So let's say we want some kind of green. We can click there and it will give us the color code of any of those shades. So I'll go for a kind of dark green there. So that's that number. Again, I'm going to copy that. And I'm going to change my red box to a green box with a background color of that number. Very important that you put the hash symbol in front, otherwise that's not going to work. And where's green box gone? Oh, there it is. So replace the red box class with green box there, and let's just make sure that's worked. Great. So that's how you put a more precise level of color into your HTML documents. You don't need to be restricted to just blue, green, yellow. You can choose absolutely any color you like. And if you don't know what the code for a particular color is, you can find it at a website similar to htmlcolorcodes.info.